Time to take a nice sip of Pepsi. That's the stuff, man. Absolutely fantastic. Hey! Hey! What gives? You shouldn't drink that. That's not good at all. I was drinking that. Did you know Pepsi has loads of sugar? It was 0. Doesn't matter. How about you try something better like COCA-COLA? COCA-COLA. COCA-COLA. I don't care about what are you doing? Don't you want some cola? No, I like my Pepsi before you knocked it out of my hands. Get out of my property. No, Coca-Cola. Oh, yeah. Do you want to have some Coca-Cola? It's not any healthier than Pepsi. Coca-Cola is a lot better than Pepsi. Don't you dare ever drink Pepsi! Get out of my property! Not until you've tried Coca-Cola. I've tried it. Pepsi's better anyway. Oh, don't take that back! What was that for? Yeah, I love a Pepsi. I'm not gonna listen to you, and I'm gonna drink this Pepsi right here. No! How would you push that over so effortlessly? Coca-Cola's a very good snack. No! Coca-Cola. Hey, do you want to make a robot? What's out of bits and parts? No! What does robots have to do with cola? I don't know, Coca-Cola! Why am I dancing? Coca-Cola! Okay, I'll drink Coca-Cola. Yeah, but you'll have to agree to never drink Pepsi again. Okay, fine, I won't. Okay, but I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Oh gosh, I hate this guy. What did you say? I said I love this guy. Oh, great. Now no more Pepsi! Could you leave now? I'm gonna drink cola. It's not cola! It's Coca-Cola! Yeah, but people pretty much call it Coke. Oh, Coca-Cola! Look old as heck! No, I'm a new cola. No way. What are you, from the 50s? Ah! You look like someone you'd see in an antique store. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry, but you look old. No, I am Coca-Cola. Okay. No more Pepsi, no more Pepsi, only Coca-Cola. Fine. See you later. He's gone. No! I told you never to drink Pepsi again! Yeah, well, I didn't listen to you. How about you try some Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola, how about you try this? Coca-Cola, see? Coca-Cola, da-da-da-da. I don't want dumb cola. There, disposed of.